First time trying this empanada, and I'm already a fan. Just food, no hype. I tried Casadasa by Chef Sandy inside the landmark Trinoma supermarket, and I ended up ordering three of their bestsellers. I got their original empanada that comes with pork and beef. Crispy and flaky yung crust, hindi oily, and generous yung filling. Talagang malasa, and alam mong hindi sila tinipid sa flavors. What surprised me was, even after around 6 to 8 hours at room temperature, the texture was still good even without reheating. I also tried their flying saucer, and the garlic sauce made it even better. Then there's their kwapao. Mix siya ng pork and chicken. Flavorful yung filling, and soft pa rin yung bun. Honestly, nagustuhan ko silang lahat. They're not the cheapest, but considering the quality, I'd say they're worth it. Next time, gusto ko naman i-try yung iba nilang empanada flavors pati yung siopaw nila. Follow for more honest food finds around the metro.